I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This step provides access to the key fob's casing, preparing it for the next stage of disassembly. It's a simple first move. Now that the emergency key is out, look for a small notch or slot on the key fob's edge. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle but firm twist, carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is to separate them cleanly, revealing the battery compartment inside. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob's functionality with your Hyundai Elantra to ensure everything works correctly. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This simple process saves you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.